Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps to reset the toolbar on Google Chrome for PC after the latest update. If you've noticed some changes or just want to get things back to the way they were, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, open your Chrome browser. This is where all the magic happens, and it's the starting point for our reset process. Once you have Chrome open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is the menu icon. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. Now that you've clicked on the menu, a drop-down list will appear. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Settings. Click on it to enter the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, look for a section called Appearance on the left side of your screen. Click on Appearance, and you'll find various options related to how your Chrome browser looks. Next, locate the option that says Customize your toolbar. This is where you can make adjustments to what appears in your toolbar. If you want to restore everything to its original state, look for the Reset to Default button. Click on it, and this will reset your toolbar settings back to their default configuration. And that's it! You've successfully reset your Chrome toolbar. If you had any customizations or extensions that were causing issues, this should help resolve them and give you a clean slate. If at any point during this process you have questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thank you for watching this tutorial on resetting your Google Chrome toolbar. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy browsing!